Hello and welcome to our Deluxe Studio Preferred View here at Disney's Riviera Resort. We are here for the week, so our room will accommodate the 5 of us. So as you enter, it's a beautiful hotel, it's a beautiful resort. So it does have the split bath. When you come in this way, this is the first section. It's the stand-up shower as well as the toilet, and then you can block that off. You can also block off this doorway too. And there's a second shower over in here with a tub, as well as the sink and vanity this way. And you can block this off as well. So you can kind of split it and have 2 people get ready at the same time. And then heading this way, if you were to do like a 2-bedroom, this door right here would lead into the second room. You can have a 2-bedroom lock off. And here is a nice big closet with a vacuum and a laundry basket and a safe down there, as well as some extra towels, and there's a steam iron in there too. Heading this way is our little mini kitchenette. So another reason why we love to stay at the Deluxe Resorts in a Deluxe Studio is we like to have a kitchen for Camden, warm up some leftover food, make him a safe meal. So in here we have just some kitchen amenities, bowls, cups, everything, toaster, glasses. And then down below we have extra toilet paper, tissues, dish soap, laundry detergent, sponges, all kinds of stuff. And then a trash over there. Let's check out the fridge. Oh, so it is nice and cold. And then it does have like a top little freezer section in there too. All right, over here we have our bed. And I love Riviera because it has tons of storage. So there should be more than enough room for us for the week. And then in the drop down bed is the little Rapunzel theme bed. So I'm sure the boys will fight over that one and see who's gonna get it. They'll probably have to alter each night. And then heading this way, this turns down into a bed as well. Which if I put some muscle into it, I can get it. So the couch turns into another double. I know some people prefer to have another double bed rather than a sleeper sofa. So there you have it. And then there is some additional storage in this little table here, as well as a breakfast corner, somewhere to just sit and do a little bit of work, eat some breakfast. And then this, which way does it open? It's locked. Is our view. So this is considered a preferred view. I don't love it, but the kids like it. I think anything with a water view here is considered a preferred view. We won't get to see the fireworks from here, and we don't really have a pool view, but it is what it is. So again, this is the Riviera Resort here at Disney World. It's one of our favorite resorts on property. You can access Hollywood Studios and Epcot via the Skyliner. So it's super convenient transportation modes. And if you're interested in booking Riviera or any of the Disney properties, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. Thanks.